In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reassign tickets in Zendesk. Managing customer support tickets efficiently is crucial for maintaining a smooth operation, and sometimes that means ensuring the right person or group is handling a particular ticket. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to take to reassign a ticket successfully within Zendesk. First things first, you'll want to locate and open the ticket that needs reassignment. Whether you're navigating through your dashboard or using a search function to find it directly, opening the ticket is the initial step that sets everything into motion. Once you have the ticket open, your next task is to focus on the assignee field. This field can usually be found in the top right sidebar of your ticket view. It's essential to pay attention to this area as it is the control hub for redirecting the ticket to the appropriate party. In the Reassign field, you'll have a couple of choices, depending on the structure and nature of your support team. You can either select a specific group or an individual agent to reassign the ticket to. When deciding who should take on this ticket, consider the content and demands of the ticket. Is it a technical issue that requires a specialist's insight, or is it a general inquiry that anyone on the support team can address? Such questions can guide you in deciding between sending the ticket to a group or handpicking an agent with the right skills and availability. After selecting the group or the specific agent, think about the value of adding an internal note. This step is entirely optional, but it's often beneficial for providing context or additional instructions to the person receiving the ticket. Internal notes can offer insights into the customer's history, the urgency of the issue, or any prior communications that may assist in a smoother, quicker resolution. Drafting a succinct, informative note can make a difference in how rapidly and effectively the ticket is handled. Once you're satisfied with your selections and optional note, it's time to finalize the reassignment. You do this by clicking on the Submit button, or, in some cases, you may see an option labeled Submit as Open. By clicking this, you're effectively handing off the ticket. The ticket now moves directly into the queue of the group or agent you selected, ready for review and response. And that's it. The ticket is now reassigned, thanks to your efforts. Mastering the ability to reassign tickets in Zendesk ensures that your support team operates efficiently and that customer issues are resolved by the most appropriate individuals. By fine-tuning this skill, you're enhancing the workflow and contributing to a more organized support system.